I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, go back.
The poop.
Make the right choice, okay? Hey, 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 hey. That's not it.
And now you're about to bite me.
Removes the hair wrap while I clean.
Hey, get down. Get down. Animal on this.
What have you been up to? What was that sound? Walter!
I said no.
Hey, come on.
Come here.
Riot, do you want to get neutered?
Oh shit. Okay, right. Oh! You're done. Run.
Normalize you not touching my charger.
Why do you want to go on the ice cream shopping?
Pop the package up here.
You good?
Gary!
Why'd you bite me? Don't do it. Don't do it.
Let's see your handstand. Damn straight.
Then my head hit the wall. Boom.
Say yeah. You cannot have an entire loaf of
Overeating, I know that. Look at.
What is it?
No, boy.
¿Quieres comida, Ahora te la traigo.
He could do it if he tried.
Asshole.
Don't eat my plants. Don't eat my plants. You're adopted.
Chapa chapa dubi dubi daba daba chi.
Don't bite his tail.
March 3rd, my youngest daughter, Barbara, was
Leaving for work. Bye. Love you. All right.
You're under arrest. Put your hands up.
I heard he's stupid. They don't know how to catch in the car, and the person that does it for them.
Muxie.
You're not gonna react? Oh.
Oh, it's Mizzy B. Hi, Mizzy B. Oh my god.
It's not that serious.
I'm sorry. I just asked a question.
Don't all speak at once. Does anybody want a cat? Don't do that.
Don't eat my plants.
Stop being ratchet. I don't know what you're doing, but you're sure good at it.
God, what are you doing?
Такое, чтобы кошка нападала на нас. Hi, baby. Please don't bite me.
She's so brave. She's well behaved.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at his face.
Are you gonna pray or someone else is gonna pray?
Okay.